Guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we're reporting live from Walgreens. We are about to get into some quick and easy all digital deals at Walgreens. I don't feel like messing with paper coupons today. So I'm going to show you how we can get a lot of free stuff using all digital coupons. So I've been to a couple different Walgreens stores today, and at each store, the Revlon and a lot of the All May products have been on clearance. So you want to pay attention to this section because we have high value digital coupons that make these items a moneymaker, because the Revlon in particular has a buy two get back $5 register reward going right now. So we're going to pick up two of these products and I'm going to show you how good this deal is. So for example, in my next transaction, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick up one of these Revlon primers. These are $4.49. Then I'm going to pick up one of these Revlon Candid foundations. So these are $4.99. Two of these products are going to total up to $9.48. Then I'm going to use the $9 off of two digital coupon. So I'm going to pay 48 cents out of pocket. And then I'm going to get back a $5 register reward. So these two items are going to be a $4.50 profit. And I'm going to do this a few times today. So we're also going to do this deal on the eye products. So these are $4.39. We're going to grab these mascaras right here. So they're $4.39, buy two, get back a $5 register reward. We're going to use our $7 off of two digital coupon. So that coupon will take off $7, leaving us to pay $1.78. Then we'll get back a $5 register reward, making them a $3 moneymaker. Now, with these register reward transactions, you have to do them separately, because if I was to pick up, let's say, four all in one transaction, I would still only get back one $5 register reward. So we're going to split these transactions up. The All May products are pretty cheap on clearance as well. So a lot of these products are marked down to $4.49, and we have a $7 off of two digital coupon. So you can buy two of them for $9, get $7 off. It'll make them $1 a piece. And I think it's giving back some type of store coupon this week for these as well. The Revlon Kiss Bombs are an easy moneymaker if you want to place your order online. These are $3.39 each. So pick up two of them and use the $4 off of two digital coupon. That's going to leave you to pay $2.78, and then you're going to get back a $5 register reward, making these free plus a $2.22 moneymaker. So something that I'm adding to my transactions this evening that you do not have to add, so you can add this or not, is this Colgate Renewal. So this is my personal toothpaste that I use and I have fallen in love with. So these are $6.99. We got a $5 digital coupon. This is a great item with a high value coupon to bulk up your total. These cost $1.99, but you know we're going to work them out for free 99. The next thing I'm grabbing is some Scott paper towels. So these are $5 regular price, but I do have a $1.25 store coupon that will make the 6-pack just $3.75. Next thing I'm grabbing is some of the Old Spice products. So you can do this deal on the body wash. You can also grab some secret deodorant if you prefer. I've already done a deal on the body wash, so now I'm going to grab some of the deodorant. So I'm going to pick up three of these deodorants. These are on sale 2 for $11 or $6.49 each. And when you pick up two of them, you're going to get back $4 in Walgreens cash. So I'm actually going to pick up a total of three of these, and then I'm going to come down here so that I can get my other $4 in Walgreens cash, and that'll be only three, and I need four to get back a total of $8. I'm also going to pick up a toothbrush for $3 as well. So on this toothbrush, I am going to be using a $1 digital coupon, and then on our Old Spice, I am going to be using a $5 off of three digital coupon. And here's a written breakdown for this Old Spice and Oral-B deal. So when you pick up all four products, it totals up to $19.50. We're going to use $6 in digital coupons, so that's going to bring it down to $13.50. And you can use Walgreens cash. You're going to get back $8 in Walgreens cash for doing this deal twice. That makes the final cost $5.50 or $1.37 each. So let me show you how these transactions are working out. So I picked up two of the Revlon eye products separately, and let me show you a close-up of my receipt. So there's the two Revlon eye products. Those total up to $8.78. After the $7 digital coupon, I paid $1.78. And of course, we did use $2 in Walgreens cash to pay. And then I got back the $5 register reward. So that is a quick and easy $3 moneymaker. And then I took that $3 moneymaker that we made here and I used it so that this transaction over here would be free. So in this transaction, I did the Old Spice and Oral-B deal that we reviewed. So this gives back $8 in Walgreens cash. I picked up the Revlon face products that we reviewed. That gives back the $5 register reward. I picked up my fave, the Colgate Renewal, and then I also got some paper towels. So here's a close-up of this receipt so that you can see how everything works out. So there's the Colgate Renewal, there is the Old Spice, there's the two Revlon products, and the Oral-B, there is the paper towels. So after the $20 in digital coupons and a $4 cash point booster that I used, my subtotal came up to $19.72. I did redeem $20 in Walgreens cash. I don't know if you guys can see that. So I redeemed $20 in Walgreens cash. So I didn't pay anything out of pocket. $20 in Walgreens cash. I got back $12.19. So I got back $8 for the Old Spice and the Oral-B. And I got back the $4 for my paper point booster. And I got back $5 in register rewards. So we got back a total of $17 for this transaction. That was a total cost of $19.72. So in this transaction, we spent out about $2 and some change. We made $3 over here. This cancels each other out. That's completely free. Then I pretty much did a different variation of the same deal, but this one I got the Old Spice body wash and I picked up two of the Almay and I also got three of the Simply Lemonade. So the Simply Lemonade is 3 for $5. I used a $2 off of 3 digital coupon that made those $3 for all three, or $1 a piece. So let me show you how this one worked out. So there's my Colgate Renewal, there's the Revlon, there's the Almay, there is the Old Spice, there's the Oral-B, and then there's the Simply. So in this one, I had scanned a point booster, but I did my math a little bit wrong and I did not spend $35 in coupons and cash in this transaction. So that did not apply. So there is the Revlon, there is the Almay, there is the Old Spice, the Simply, all of my digitals brought my subtotal down to $21.45. So $21.45, I did redeem $20 in Walgreens cash. So I spent $20 in Walgreens cash and I got back $14.30 in Walgreens cash on this transaction. And I got back another $5 register reward for the Revlon. So I got back $19.30. So once again, this had a transaction cost of $2 and some change. And then so I repeated the Revlon eye deal again on another card so that I could make $3. So I spent $1.78 in this transaction on two more of the Revlon products and I got back another $5 register reward. So all of these items that I've done have been absolutely free. All right, you guys, so I'm already up a couple dollars with all of these moneymaker register rewards that we have earned from the Revlon, but I'm actually going to do this Revlon deal one more time so that I can make a little bit more money to pay for some household products. And I'm using different accounts. That's how I have so many different digital coupons. And I also have been getting the question a lot about why I pay with the app when I am using paper boosters. The reason that I'm paying with the app when I'm using paper boosters is because if you use a paper booster that is similar to this right here, if you use one of these babies, then you may not get your points back if you pay with points. So when you pay with the app, you bypass the requirement to have to pay with cash. So I pay with the app so that I can still redeem my points and earn the points back from these paper boosters. So with the money that I'm making, I am going to buy some Arm & Hammer. So y'all know I have fallen in love with the Arm & Hammer, so your girl is trying to stay stocked up. So these are back, buy one, get two free. So we're going to get 3 of them for $7.49, and we're gonna let our clearance cosmetics pay for our laundry detergent. I'm also gonna grab more paper towels. So these are $3.75 once again after our store coupon. So the paper towels and then 3 of the Arm & Hammer in one transaction should be $11.24. After 2 of these $5 register rewards from our Revlon, then we should only pay $124 in points, making this a super good deal. So we're not going to use any manufacturer coupons, just our register rewards on this deal. All right, you guys, so this is our complete Walgreens haul for today. So let me show you my final transaction with the paper products and the laundry detergent. I also picked up 2 more of those Revlon eye products. That's a redundant transaction. But let me show you how the paper products worked out and how that looks on paper. So there's our Arm & Hammer and our Scott. We used those 2 $5 register rewards, brought it down to $124 plus tax. I redeemed $2 in Walgreens cash and just paid 11 cents out of pocket for that transaction. So 11 cents. When I tell y'all in these deals, like, I have paid very little out of pocket costs. Like, we have been able to roll in those points, roll in these register rewards, and we have paid very little today, which I am super excited about. And that is always a blessing at Walgreens. So final tally in cost today, we were up about $5 after I made that additional purchase with those Revlon cosmetics. And then I applied that $5 that we were up to that purchase of those paper towels and the laundry detergent. Now, I'm actually going to do another deal. I won't keep y'all for that, but I'm going to do one more deal on the facial products so that I can make another $3 and bring this down even further. After I do that deal, this will be a final tally of just $3 for all of these products today using all digital coupons. So I still have 3 $5 register rewards that I can roll into next week. I'll have a 4th one when I get done with my final deal. But y'all, this was so quick and easy, and it was so good. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you here. I thank you all so much for watching today's video. And as always, I will talk to you soon.